Smile, you're on camera. Nancy, smile, you're on camera.
You just came in here yelling at me. I want to get that on tape. You just came in here yelling at me and I was very nice. I just said come play with us.
Are you crying because you want your daddy? Sophie. Oh my gosh. Sophie. Go lay down.
Well, that's okay. Her pooter's dripping and she sat on me.
It's because she has an infection.
How do you know? Did you take her to the vet? Again?
I didn't take her to the vet. I took her urine to the vet.
So what now?
She's on antibiotics now. Allergy medicine, antibiotics. HA food. Bum, 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 bum. Hey, handsome. You like Sophie Soph? Stop. Get down. Down.
We're marrying Sophie off. We're trading her for a goat.
You want to trade your dog for a goat?
Yes. I'll trade her for a slice of cheese.
Don't get your head stuck in her vagina, son.
Is he playing with her tail still?
Mm-hmm.
Do not sit on me. Tail. Oh! Cracked him right in the face.
Oh my God. Oh, my poor son got whacked in the head with a tail. You think he'll be alright by the time he gets married? My mom used to say you'll be better by the time you get married.
Oh, he puked all over.
Yeah, that's disgusting. Down. Down.
Are you dancing? Are you dancing? Gavin. Gavin. Gavin.
You can't have it. You just gotta scream and make noises and be all kinds of cute. Like that.
Oh, he pooped now.
Did he poop?
Is that why he was so quiet?
Soph, no.
Let me go get it.
You stinky. No, Soph. You stinky. You smell like poo. Look at me, Mom. Oh, that's right. You mushed it right in your butt. Yes, you did. Yes, you did, you munchkin.